In front of me is TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then tap on any of those themes to pick a perfect one for you. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher, and when you're ready, hit apply. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, the theme of my keyboard has changed. To customize it though, click on the same icon of a color palette, and this time use this plus one under my themes. Now tap on the photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage keyboarders and tap on Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!